Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello to organize your life. So the first thing that you need to do is simply go to Trello.com and make sure you have an account and log in into that account. If you don't have an account, go and create a new account. Of course, once you're logged in, you should find yourself in here. If you don't have a workspace yet, go and create, as an example, a workspace. And of course, you will have to set some stuff before we start. So what are you trying to organize your life? Are you trying to organize, example, just your habits or something that is related to another members? If like you're trying to organize your life as example as a family members or as friends together, you can simply first of all ask those friends to go and download or basically just go and create an account on Trello and make sure to simply invite them using this link. Or of course, you can invite them even using their email or name on Trello. Once you invite them, you can find them here. You can even add them to some boards. So let's say, example, I'm just going here and going to create, as example, another board or a new board. As example, just going to name it, I don't know, organize. Why not? Hit the enter button. No background, or they choose per default. So how to organize your life, as we said. Of course, we can start by adding some lists. Here you can basically do some to-do lists. So maybe I'm just going to add some lists. So as example, this is stuff that I should do in the morning or in the morning. So morning. That add the list. Another list will be added. So after maybe lunch and like evening and before bed. Let's say, example, let's start by those four. So in the morning example, make sure to add some tasks. So first of all, maybe as example, brush your teeth. And wait, let me just go edit that. Of course, you'll be able to edit all the stuff that you do, or you can even delete it or do whatever you want. You can add some descriptions. For me, I'm just going to like, yeah, teeth or teeth. I don't know. I'm just going to keep it like that at the moment. So as you can see, you can even like make your bed as example. Other than that, I don't know. You can add all the stuff that you want. And of course, you can click on a specific like task and add maybe some checklists as example to it. Done or something like that. Click on add an example if you've done it or not done. And of course, basically, once you finish them, you can simply just mark as complete. You can add some lists, as example, like optional lists, like things that you want to do, but you don't know exactly when, or maybe required like one to like that it should be done, and optional one like so some lists or some tasks that is required to be done during the day. It doesn't matter. And when you do it, of course, you can even add this example optional. If you want to do it today, it's a plus. If you didn't do it, it's no problem. You can even add an example. If something reads some review, as example, you can add a review one or review, let's say here. And of course, you'll be able, let's say, an example, I want to move this card. So maybe this is something to be reviewed, or I don't know, review maybe work, something work related. So review this video that you do maybe, or do the video as example. So do this video. And of course, once you do it as example and you have the checklist on it, you can simply move it to review. So you'll have to review it later. So yeah, that's you basically how to use it to organize your life. And of course, for you can expand depending on whatever you're using it for. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching it. Goodbye.